personal for Pedro V. We've got a 2021 Bowman's Best Baseball Hobby. All right, Pedro, thanks so much for your order, and best of luck. Probably should have checked that I have a knife first to open that with a pen and go find myself a knife. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions at all regarding any products or need me to drop the link. Guess I should have thought about the Bowman's Best boxes before doing that, huh? Alright, that one's empty. Gotta get this one open. Don't have my nails. What's up, Rocky? Bro, Josh? Get this open. My goodness. There we go. Gotta be something good in here that's trying to stay put. Alright. Good luck, Pedro. Thanks again for your order. Chapman, Austin Martin, Harry Ford. We've got Atomic Rookie of Wilman Contreras and a refractor of Spencer Torkelson. What's up, Mason? Again, find your boxes at LaytonSportsCards.com underneath the Personals tab. We've got a Ryan Mountcastle Trout Masterpieces refractor of Spencer Torkelson. Love these masterpieces. Beautiful looking card. A Hedbert Perez Future Vibrance and refractor of Sam Bachman. The T-Mall. For basketball, I believe we have Spectra T-Mall, Alex. Got Nick Madrigal rookie. Spectra T-Mall should be up there still, I believe. Trevor Story. Got a Joey Bart rookie craftsmanship. First auto up. Nice one here for the Padres refractor of Victor Acosta. Nice Acosta. And we've got a rookie refractor of Wilman Contreras. Can double check for you though, Alex, in a second. Got Christian Hernandez, Asti Hendy, Christian Yelich. We have a Heatwave die cut of Marcelo Meyer. Nice one there. And refractor of Buster Posey. Tatis, Henry Davis. Got a Wander Franco base. Heston Kjerstad, Future Vibrance, and refractor of Francisco Lindor. All right, last pack of the first mini box. Should have our second auto in here as well. Got Altuve, Pete Alonso. We've got a Peguero Future Vibrance. And we've got for the Mariners auto rookie, a Evan White. Evan White auto. And refractor, Cody Bellinger. All right. Second mini box up. Romuto, Aaron Judge, Mookie Betts. We've got rookie craftsmanship of Yerman Mercedes and a refractor of JD Martinez. Merrill, Julio Rodriguez. We've got a Jared Kelenic rookie. A Future Vibrance of Carlos Colmenares, and a rookie refractor of Andrew Vaughn. Yeah, the Peguero was numbered. It was a wave parallel. Got Josh Donaldson, Kyle Lewis, a Jose Barrio rookie. And auto for the second one, we've got a Gunnar Hoglund. Gunnar Hoglund auto. I love that these are all on card as well. The insert autos on some of them are stickers, but for the most part, they're all on card. And Jacob deGrom refractor. Cunha, we've got a Mercedes rookie. Miggy, we've got Heatwave rookie die cut of Jared Kelenic. And refractor of Gleyber Torres. Asian Kim rookie. Chase Petty. Blaze Jordan. We've got a Brady House Future Vibrance. And refractor rookie of Cabrian Hayes. Nice hit. All right, last pack here for you, Pedro. Let's see. Nice box so far. Juan Soto. We've got a Jazz Chisholm Jr. We've got blue to 150 rookie for the Braves, William Contreras. And for the Dodgers, nice one here, little Lou Rod. Beautiful, beautiful autograph. Love his auto. Nice Luis Rodriguez. Congrats on that one. And last card for you is a Zach Veen refractor. All right, Pedro, that'll do it for you. Congrats on all those hits. Thanks once again for your order, and we'll be getting this right out to you.